What is family? Think beyond the surface of what we know about our own family. Think about all the people we share a little bit of our time with every day. Family goes deep. Families dream, laugh, comfort. Families face challenges, step up when they're needed. Families pray, celebrate. Families overcome. And families grow. Joe Bullard has been blessed with the opportunity to serve families for over 65 years, and we're excited to welcome Chevrolet as a new member of our family, allowing us to better serve you.